All right, so the new update that I just did for everyone is going to be a cultural personalization update. The way that you're in this, what this is going to do, it's going to make sure that anything within your blogs itself that is written is culturally representative of who you are as a person, and not just kind of just taking anything in general consensus and just making a general blog. This will now take each and every user's cultural background into consideration when it's generating images for the blogs that are produced off of your chats. The way that you get into this is to go into your settings area. So everybody, I just went in here and went into settings. Then you're just going to be right in your profile section. You're going to go right down to the cultural personalization option, and then you're going to enable it if you want it. And this will explain to you what it does. You can add your primary, your secondary, and then also your family representation too, if you want to add your spouse in, and then your children in there as well. So that's where that comes in on how you set that up. Once that's all set up, then you can go into pretty much any of your chats and then just go ahead and generate a blog. So what I'm going to do is I'll go in here, just a short one, just for an example to show. I'm going to turn this on. As you can see, I include the images, that's on. And then we're going to also make sure that this is on. And then just generate a new blog post. It's going to take like 2 to 3 minutes. So we'll just wait and see what this comes back as. And then you'll be able to see what comes out of these specific cultural personalization images that come in. Blog is done generating now. We are going to preview the blog. And so this is just kind of giving you an idea of how it's just bringing in different cultural backgrounds into the images themselves of what you set up inside of your settings. Just a little thing that I wanted to add in there to kind of make things feel a little bit more personalized to the users if you're trying to do blogs. Just makes it easier to kind of represent who you are, since it already knows your tone of voice and kind of the language that you're using. So you'll be able to see that the blogs are written more like you and representative of you. And it'll bring in specific cultural background subtleties that it'll add into the blog. So just wanted to add that up. That's a new update for you.